வேதாந்த தேசிய யதீந்திர கடாட்ச லப்த த்ரையந்தசார மனவத்திய குணாம்புதாக்கியம் நாராயணாத்ய ஜிதிரிய கிருபாபிக்ஷிப்தம் ஸ்ரீ ரங்கநாத யதிசேகரம் ஆஸ்ரயாமக. பகவானுடைய அனுகிரகத்தினால we are seeing this Bhagavata Saptaham. The essence of it, this is not a pravachanam, this is a satsangam. Yesterday we started with day 0. Day 0 is like the Bhagavata Mahatmyam. We talked about 4 or 5 things. One is Bhagavata Samslayam பத்தி பார்த்தோம். ரெண்டாவது வந்து ஒரு வக்தா எப்படி இருக்கணும், how is, what is in a conversation for action, a committed speaker, a vakta, he makes a sankalpam, right? Similarly we saw a committed listener, அவனுக்கு வேற கதியே இல்ல, நீனே கதி, that is what we saw that. And in this the fourth one is Bhagavata Apacharam. Whenever we do Bhagavata Apacharam, we need to go to that particular Bhagavatam and seek forgiveness. The thing is, in this Gokarna Upagyanam, how Dundugari got Vimanam from Vaikundam. Not only that, subsequent to that, Gokarnan did another Saptaham, and all those who attended, they also got Mukti. That is the end of it. Today, we are going to cover as per the Bhagavata Viti, as per first day. Today's Bhagavata Saptaham, we need to cover first Skandam, second Skandam, third Skandam up to Varahavataram. We are going to see that in 10 to 15 minutes. Okay? I am going to mix Tamil and English and I will translate it as usual. So, ஒரு சமயம் நைமிசாரண்யத்திலே சௌனகாதி மகரிஷிகள்லாம் சத்ரயாகம் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கச்சே. So, there is in Naimisaranyam, there was a satrayagam was performed by Saunagadi Maharishis. At that time, Sudabanigar is a Pauranigar. கதை சொல்றதே ரொம்ப கெட்டிக்காரர். He is very, he is the disciple of Romaharshanam. So he arrives there while they were performing. They do Chatrayagam for several 100,000 years, right? So they have a break. During the day, they have a break. They are asking Sudabanigar, we have a break. Can you give us some satsanga? So they are asking 6 questions to him. I will give you Tamil and then say it again. மனுஷனா பிறந்தவனுக்கு சேஷ கொடுக்கக்கூடிய மார்க்கம் இது. எங்களுக்கு வேறு வேதங்கள் வேதாந்தங்கள்லாம் படிச்சு தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கு அவகாசம் இல்லை. அதனால அந்த வேதாந்தங்களோட சாரத்தை நீங்க சொல்லணும். பகவான் எதுக்காக கிருஷ்ணாவதாரம் எடுத்தார்? கிருஷ்ணாவதாரம் எடுத்த பகவான் என்னென்ன லீலைகள்லாம் பண்ணார்? கிருஷ்ணாவதாரம் எடுத்த பகவான் வேறு என்னென்ன அவதாரங்கள்லாம் எடுத்தார்? பகவான் ஆறாவது கேள்வி, பகவான் தன்னுடைய காரியங்கள்லாம் முடிஞ்சு தன்னுடைய திவ்யதாமத்துக்கு எழுந்துள்ளும் பொழுது தர்மம் எங்க போய் சரண் புகுந்தது? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், ஃபார் அ மேன், வாட் இஸ் a man who is born here in earth? Can you show me a margam which gives me shreyas, which is a supreme path, which is a virtuous path? Show me that. Then that's where he says, he is giving the answers for these 6 questions. That is the entire Bhagavatam. There are various ways to say what Bhagavatam is. There are 100 different ways to say. This is one way. So what is the margam which gives me shreyas? Namasankirtanam yasya sarvapapa pranashanam pranamo dukkha samanahasam tam namami harim param. That's what we are all doing. Vainal paadi thuyomai vandu. We have been chanting Namasankirtanam every day. First question answered. Second question, we don't have time to read all scriptures. Give me the essence. Bhagavatam, in 12th skanda, it says Bhagavatam is Sarva Vedantangalin Sharam. The essence is in Bhagavatam. Third question, why did Bhagavan took avatar Krishna? Paritranaya sadhunam vinasaya dushkudam dharma samsapanardaya. Sadhukal to rakshipadarkum, dharmata stabhikadarkum, shatru alikkadarkum. Right? Paritranaya sadhunam vinasaya dushkudam dharma samsapanardaya. This is the reason why he came to earth. What is the fourth question? Krishna avadaram edutha Bhagavan. What all the leelas Bhagavan did when he took Krishna avadaram? In Dasamaskandam, Bhagavatatoda Hridayam, there are 90 chapters. There is Purvardham and Uttaraardham. So it is there explained in 90 chapters in Bhagavatam. That is the fourth answer for the fourth question. Fifth question, Bhagavan, what other avatars Bhagavan took besides Krishna avatar? Like there are 24 avatars listed in Srimad Bhagavatam. There he has taken many avataraki asankyamana avatarangal Bhagavan has taken, but there are 24 has been given in this mention as a list, right? Then the sixth question, after performing his duties in Bhulokam, when he was going back to his Divya Dhamam, தர்மம் எங்க போய், வேர் டிட் தர்மா கோ? தர்மம் எங்க போய் சரண் புகுந்ததுன்னா, தர்மம் எங்கேயும் போகல. ஸ்ரீமத் பாகவதாத்யோயம் பிரத்யக்ஷம் கிருஷ்ண ஏவகி கிரந்த ரூபமாக I am here in Srimad Bhagavatam. That is the answers to those 6 questions. Then let's start with this, continue on this. எப்படி பாகவம் வந்தது? how did Bhagavatam came, right? முதல்ல திருமால் said that to Brahma. He said it, he did not say it. He gave it from his Hridayam to Brahma's Hridayam, right? Thirumal Brahma சொல்ல, Brahma then gave it to his son Narada. through Brahma gave it to Narada, from one Hridayam to the other Hridayam. Narada, then he saw Vyasa. Vyasa was worried, I have written 17 Puranas, still I don't have Shanti. What am I going to do? Then Narada tells him, Ninga Bhagavanudaya Kalyana Gunangal eludano. You have to write the Kalyana Gunas of Bhagavan. You have to write Bhagavatam. So he requests, Prerana Pandra. Vyasara Bhattu Prerana Panni, you have to write Bhagavatam. Then Vyasar writes Bhagavatam and he gives, it is Adhyayanam to his son Sugabrahma. Or Ondida Adhyayanam Mandra. Pachadala, it went from heart to heart. சுகபிரம்மத்துக்கு அத்தியனம் பண்ணி சுகபிரம்மம் சாபத்தினாலே தக்ஷகன் கடித்து இறக்க கடவது என்கின்ற பிரயோபவேஷ காலத்திலே பரீட்சித்துக்கு இந்த பாகவதம் சொன்னார். We all know Parikshit is Abhimanyu's son who got a curse. He is a Dharmaseelan. For it is his Kali. We got a curse that he is going to die of by this Mrityu is coming through Dakshagan enum பாம்பு, through Dakshan's bite. So then he renounces his kingdom, he comes to Gangadhiram, that is where Sugabrahmam comes there. So that is where Sugabrahmam gives Bhagavatam to Parikshit. This is the summarized version. So then this is the end of the first skandam. I am giving the essence of first skandam. Second skandam, what is the essence? Bhakti Jnana Vairagyam என்கின்ற பாகவத லட்சணத்தை சொல்லி அந்தே நாராயண ஸ்மிருதி அந்திம காலத்துல ஹரிஸ்மரணம் போகணுங்கிற பிராதானியத்தை சொல்லி பிரம்மாவுக்கும் நாரதருக்கும் நடந்த சம்வாத ரூபமாக சங்கரகமாக சொன்னது இரண்டாவது ஸ்கந்தம். So this is Brahma Narada Samvadam in second skanda. Bhakti Jnana Vairagyam is the essence, right? What is Janmalabha Parepam say? Ande Narayana Smriti. We saw that couple of days back about Varahan, right? We are going to end this today with Varaha Avatar. So he says is in Andima Kalam, Ande Narayana Smriti. That is Janmalabham is what? We want to get out of this samsara. In order to, so at the end of our life, we may or may not remember to say Narayana's name. In order to do that, we need to cultivate satsangam. So this is what we are doing. This is not a pravachanam. This is not an upanyasam. We are doing parasparam satsangam to helping each other here, right? To continuously being in satsangam, we cleanse our chitranjarigale irundu, we clean our body, we cleanse our mind, we cleanse our indriyas. So with Trikarana Shuddhiyodu, we do that. This is the Satsangam is helping us to continuously cleanse our mind so that at the end of our life, at least we will remember Narayana's name. Then we will see Varahan. Even if you don't remember, now only I am telling you now, remember me. At that time, I don't know. I may be in the hospital. I may be with my grandchildren. I don't know. I may or may not know or may not remember to tell your name. Save me. I am telling you now. This is second skandam. Third skandam வந்து Vidura Maitreya Samvadam. Vidura, we all know, he did not participate in Mahabharat. He goes on Kshetradam போயிட்டு he is coming back. On his way he sees Uddhavar. Uddhavar says Bhagavan has gone back to his Divyadhamam. But before going he was thinking about you. Vidura was so, he could not believe that. Number one, when we are about to depart, we want to think about Narayana. But Bhagavan, when he was going back, he was Parama Bhagavatam. Vidura mentioned, he thought about, in his last moments, he said, he told Uddhava, ask Vidura to go and meet Maitreya. So, this Narada Vyasa Samvadam, here it is Vidura, Maitreya Samvadam is Vistaram. Vidura Maitreya Samvadam, Vistarama Solla Todangi, Pragrida Srishti, Vaigrida Srishti, Sanagadi Marichadi Nava, Prajapati Srishti, Bhagavanudia Varahavatar. This is what is there in today's this thing. So what is there in first skanda? In first skanda, we saw how the Bhagavatam came from Thirumal to Brahman, Brahman to Narada to Vyasar, Vyasar to Sugabrahmam to Parikshit. When Parikshit he renounced his kingdom, when he went to Gangadhiram, he saw his guru. So when you are ready, they say the guru show up. The guru shows up when you are ready. So when that is how our Shastras say. So normally we all say this, right? Innuir Tandalitavarai Charanam Bukki, Yanadave, Niver Gurukal Naravanangi, Pinarulal Perambudur on the World, Perianambi Alavandar, Manakal Nampi, Nandari, ever Prita Uyakondar, Nadamu Shadagopan Sene, Nathan, in the Tribagal and Reverali Muniti, Emberman, to be in training, right? So Mata Pita is our first guru. Then our Mata Pita shows in Nuir Tandalitavarai, who gave us this life? This is Mata Pita. If you don't take care of our Mata Pita and say, I'm going to go and see Guru, there's no point, right? So, then they tell you, this is our Acharyan. In our Kulam, this is our Acharyan. If you don't have Mata Pita, some people have lost their parents, then that is where you seek Guru. Guru will come in any form, right? Who is a bona fide Guru? There are so many Gurus, sir. Who is ஸ்ரோத்ரியம் பிரம்மனிஷ்டம், சாஸ்திரம் தெரிஞ்சவனா இருக்கணும், பிரம்மனிஷ்டனா இருக்கணும். Even if he only knows chanting of mantras, shastram தெரிஞ்சவன், he cannot be a guru. He should also have seen brahmanishtam. So he should have both. There are people who do meditation, dhyana yoga, anda yoga, they call themselves Sadguru, Garudananda, all nandas, right? They are called themselves Sadgurus. They are not. That anybody who is a Sadguru, like our Brahmacharya, our GR, right? They are shastram தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும், பிரம்மனிஷ்டனா இருக்கணும். Then you should have Shraddha. Shraddhavan lavate jnanam, Bhagavad Gita, Krishna சொல்றார். Then you should believe in scriptures, you should believe in your Acharya. This is the second skanda. That is how the Guru comes in. And Shuka Brahma Parikshita asked two questions. During this life, what a man should do, what he should do while living, while leaving, what he should do. These are the two questions he's asking. I only have 7 days. We have got 7 days to this year. Today is 25th, right? 7 days to this year. Then Shuka Brahma says, you got 7 days, man. Katwangan had only one Mugurtam, 48 minutes. 48 minutes, he renounced everything. He just started praying to God, right? So you have got 7 days. So we are all so fortunate. We had so many days. We still have so many days, but with Bhagavan's grace. This is second skanda. In second skanda, there are other things also. There is Chatushloki Bhagavatam. There is also 10 Lakshanas. Here he also talks briefly about Ashtanga Yoga, very briefly. Later on we'll see it in detail. In this he also says, Parikshit, he's showing the way to do dharana. So he is showing an ashrayam. When you are doing yamam, niyamam, ashanam, pranayamam, pratyaharam, dharanai, dhyanam, samadhi, there is 8 angas, right? What should I take as an ashrayam for doing this meditation, to do this dhyanam? Then he says, start meditating on the Virada Swarupam. In the whole Irelu Gonam, you think like each anga of Bhagavan, right? You take his foot as Padalam. இப்படி மேல போய் பூஹு போக சுபக ஜனக தபக மகக சத்தியம் சத்தியலோகம் வரைக்கும் பகவானோட திருவடி டு திருமுடி டு திருவடி. So you say that as you think about one anga as one part of the world, right? Then Parikshit tries, he could not do it. Finally he gives a simple margam. So don't worry about it. Say, Bhagavan Rika, you take any vigraha and then focus on that, meditate on that, or do dhyanam on that. So then I will conclude this. I may be exceeding by 1 or 2 minutes. There is so much in it, even you can't cover it in 7 days, and we are trying to do an abridged version, right? So in other things in the Chatushloki Bhagavatam, there are 4 tattvams, there is Brahma Tattvam, Jagat Tattvam, Maya Tattvam, then Atma Tattvam. It takes a long time to do that. Then the last one is 10 Lakshanas in Bhagavatam. Artra Sargo Visargasya Sthanam Poshanam Utaya Manvantarani Ishanupada Nirodham Mukti Asrayam. Sargam, the primary creation. Visargam, the secondary creations. He uses Brahma as his instrument to create the sub-creations. Atta Sargo Visargasya Sthanam Poshanam. He is creating sustenance. He is giving all the Bhogya Prabhanjam. He is giving us the rules of conduct. He is giving us the Vedam and everything for us to live. Atra Sargo Visargacha Sthanam Poshanam Utaya, our karma vashanas. What Bhagavatam speaks about, the 10 Lakshanas, right? Utaya, Manvantarani, all the Manvantaras he speaks about. Manvantarani, Ishanukada, all Kalyana Gunas, all avatars, Ishanukada, Nirodham, the various ways to attain Atma Jnanam, Mukti, the liberation. Finally, what? Why are you reading Bhagavatam? Finally, to do ashrayam. This is what Krishna Premayesh Swamigal used to say. The most important Lakshana in 10 Lakshana is ashrayam. Yaar ashrayam manna porai? You are going to do somebody? No. Ashrayam, Bhagavan ashrayam mandradhukku is preparing you. Why bhakti? Sir, I am a self-realized man. I don't believe in this thing, and Bhakti is the first step. Tiruppi idhe da solva. Bhakti gives you ஞானம் gives you vivegam gives you vairagyam. Finally, I end this with Varaha Avatar. In Varaha Avatar, so you know that our universe is not created from scratch. In our Bhagavatam, Tiruppi, there is no date for this. We don't believe in Big Bang, right? We don't believe in matter creating life. Life creates life. This whole Prapancham, just like we have Bhagavan Antaryami inside, Bhagavan is Antaryami in this Prapancham, right? The Brahman can exist on its own. The world cannot exist on its own. The world has Brahman as Antaryami inside, right? So that is very clearly mentioned. So during this creation, when we call creation, is every Chaturyugam, right? Oru Chaturyugam mudinjodne 1000 Chaturyugam oru kalpam. Every kalpam the Bhuhu, Bhuvaha and Suvaha will go into Pralayam. There are various Pralayams. So the Brahma recreates the world. It is always recreation. So the whole world is in Pralayam. And then Brahma creates it. When he was about to create, the Bhumi was missing. The Bhumi was in Pralaya Jalam, so deep inside. Hiranyaksha has taken the Bhumi inside. Then Bhagavan took Varaha Avatar and restored Bhuma Devi. We saw that couple of days back on Varaha Avatar, how he restored this. And then Bhuma Devi asking, what are you going to do? Ujjivanam for this Jivan. They are all caught up in this samsara. How are you going to save them? Then he says, தூயமான மனதோடு தூயோமாய் வந்து தூமலர் தூவி தொழுது வாயினால் பாடி மனத்தினால் சிந்திக்க. If we do with clean mind, the சிற்றஞ்செருகாலே நீராடி தூயமாய் வந்து தூமலர் தூவி தொழுது வாயினால் பாடி மனதினால், we saw that arjavam, consistency in your thought, word and deed. If you do with trikarana suddhiyodu, if you pray now, aham smarami madbhaktam nayami paramagam. Don't worry about the 11th hour when you are ready to depart. If you do that now with this sincerity, aham smarami, I will take care of you. With this I conclude today's satsangam. It is not a pravachanam. I am not telling this, so there is no such thing as a pride that I know it. There is no such thing if somebody does not know Bhagavatam that they do not know it. There is no room for humility either, because we are not doing this. Bhagavan is Andaryami inside, is making us talk. Bhagavan is Andaryami, is making us listen. So if we have that, we should always be grounded like our Thondar Adi Podiyar. We are just the dust of our Bhagavata. Like Namasankirtanam Yasya Sarva Papa Pranachanam Pranamo Dukkha Samanahasam Tam Namami Harim Param. Gopika Jeevana Smaranam Govinda Govinda.